Hi there. In this short video demonstration, we're going to show you advanced location analytics working with MicroStrategy. As you can see, we've come into a MicroStrategy dashboard that's based on fast food analysis over Sydney. On the right-hand side, we have a MicroStrategy selector, we have a couple of MicroStrategy charts, and then we've got the map. And at the moment, the map has two layers in it, one of points based on triangles and color-coded based on the type of fast food outlet, and I can turn those on and off. And the second one is local government areas based on average salary, and they're color-coded based on salary bands. If I turn those on and off, we could have more layers if we wished in the map, more point layers, polygons or lines. There's no specific limit to that. We can also click on a point in or a location in the map. We could do a geocode. We get data about the outlets and also the LGA, and you can see there's a link here. If we click on that, we'll go out to the web page for that particular organization. Working in the MicroStrategy environment, it's important that we be able to filter between MicroStrategy and the map. So if we go to the selector and click on chicken, we've filtered down the MicroStrategy charts here so that they're only representative of chicken outlets, and the map has updated with just purple triangles, which, as you can see from the legend, represent the chickens. Now it's important we also can filter back the other way, and we've got various ways of doing that in the map. We might select a travel time, and if we click on a location here, we make a call out to a remote travel time service, which has generated that polygon we filtered, and the chart over here is updated with that. Now we can go and do another filter, and we might do it by radius this time. If you keep your eye on that chart down there, and we'll just make sure we grab a lot of these ones in the middle. So it's applied that filter back to MicroStrategy. So there's ways of filtering both from the map and from MicroStrategy. So what we might do now is just remove those filters, so we can go in the selection buffer here and just dump all those. So you can see the MicroStrategy charts have gone back to the full set of data. The selection catalog is showing all those, and we're up to 690 records, and the map's generated back with all those different types of outlets at the moment. So what I might do now is use the search facility, and we can see over in this area around Parramatta we've got quite a display of different outlets there. So if we go into the search and say we want to go to Parramatta, it's done the geocoder and come up with Parramatta. It's also searched on Parramatta for all the outlets and all the BI data. So you can see we've got chicken, pizza, all based on Parramatta Road. But if we click this one, it will zoom into the Parramatta location. So it's basically done a geocode there. We might turn off the average salary at this area, at this level. So you can see we've zoomed in. This is Parramatta CBD in this area. We might step out just a couple of levels, so we've got a few more points and things there for what we want to do. And what we might look at doing is setting up an organisation in here to service some of these areas with our office located in Parramatta CBD. So what we want to do is see how many of these organisations are within a certain drive time, and then do a route based on those. So if I go to the routing plugin, we've got outlets there. We can select by travel time and say, well, let's just do 5-minute travel time. And this is our location here. That's gone out to a travel time provider and brought back the polygon based on that, and we're going to use that to select the points that we want to generate the route from. Now the start and end point will be the same, and we'll use them on that same location, and we want to do it based on time. So if I click apply now, that's gone out to the external routing provider and pulled us back the route to best cover those points that fell within the 5-minute drive time. Now if I move down the row here, you can see the pulsating circle showing us which points we're on as it moves around the drive time. We can export that data out to a CSV, but also just as importantly, we can just close off the layer control. We can go into our controls at the bottom here and say we want to print the map. We can send it to PDF, PNG or GIF. So if I save that and print map, it's now, we're doing this demo on Amazon servers remote to me, so a MicroStrategy and a map server. And just waiting for the PDF to come back from there, and now we've got it back, and you can see the drive time with the points and the progression of them set up in that PDF. So that's just a short introductory video of Map Intelligence providing advanced location analytics into MicroStrategy. Thanks for your attention.